Yo, listen, I got the perfect app. The perfect app to help maximize your earnings doing Lyft and Uber, especially in 2022, 2023. The perfect app, right? Now, don't say I didn't put y'all on to know good information on this channel. This your boy Rideshare Careers. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the like button before you even hear this app. Because it helps you get more money every damn ride. It don't matter how many rides you get. You gonna love this app. It's called Indeed, nigga. Go look for a real goddamn job. It's over. I don't know why every video I talk about using my code to sign up and you can get that little extra 1,000 when you get done those rides. Get done those rides, use that couple extra 1,000 that you get from the bonus of using the code. Use that code to go get your own damn car, and then you could do some food delivery or something. But quit the damn Lyft and Uber. I've never seen, usually people just quit. Usually people be like, I'm tired of this, and they get, but our spoiled American asses sit up here complaining instead of just giving them their car back or quitting and go and find. Y'all complained all these years when, oh yeah, we milking the system. Oh, we threw it in people who work jobs faces all these years. Now we finally see. I ain't gotta worry about that. I went and got myself a damn job. I had to quit that damn Lyft and Uber every day, driving myself the hell crazy was all I was doing. That all you doing is wasting your damn time if you're not making no money. The best thing to do for Lyft and Uber is if you don't start, use somebody code, get that couple 1,000 when you will complete those rides and give their car back. Or you get, quit or do whatever you want to do after that. But you have to have a job. This job does not. Lyft and Uber, listen to me. I don't care how much money you making. I don't care how much. It's going to happen. That drought, oh man, maybe we should boycott, is going to happen. I got tired. Listen to me, Lyft and Uber drivers. Who's making money right now and who's not making money, who hear me preaching right now. Lyft and Uber, let me tell you, I've been there making all this bread and I thought that the market would never stop. I thought that the market would never be just show me those type of lows where I watched 10 miles get me $20-something. And then I remember when 10 miles get you $30-something. And now they be driving for 10 miles for like 5, 6. It's looking bad. If you are a driver and you making money right now, you better milk it because it's going to happen. The drought or whatever this is going to. It ain't they just got that state over there. It's going to happen. And when they do, you're going to be just like the people complaining online. To the complainers online, go get a job now. Before this drop, don't wait till next week. Oh, I'm pretty sure the market will be good next week. It'll be good, right? No, that market ain't going to get no better. And even if it is, you better have something to back it up because you got bills. You got bills playing with your life. Yeah, the next week it ain't going to be no bonuses next week. No. It ain't going to be no bonuses next week. Let me tell you something. Let me give y'all some tips right now. If you got your own car and never drove for Lyft or Uber, use my code and you can get a couple of 1,000 real quick, completing some rides, and then quit automatically. That's the only way people is making money right now. That's number one. Get mad at me for promoting my code all y'all want. Doesn't matter. I had to go through the struggles of bills piling up and me driving around this damn city, putting myself in dangerous situations or whatever. So that's number one. If you got your own car, use the code. If you don't got your own car, go and get a rental. Use their rental and run it up, and the rental pays for itself. You go ahead, give them that little couple hundred as a down deposit. They give you that back when you get their car back, and run it up. See if your market is actually popping or not. Run it up. See if your market is actually popping or not. Run it up. See if your market is actually popping or not. Number 3, if your market is popping, you gonna make a lot of money. You gonna milk it. You gonna be like a couple of people on YouTube who just killing it, like Rodney Speed. He's one of of them who be killing it on YouTube or just making money. If your market is popping, like Las Vegas and stuff like that, Philly is a little still popping now that people can get money, especially if you're in Philly or Jersey. But however, prices and stuff is there, it's going down. And I'm telling you now, so don't think your market is going to be good forever, because it's not, unless you live in a city that everybody uses so much, not too many drivers or too many drivers, whatever. But anyway, number 4, if you can't make money right now, quit. Look on Indeed. Go find a job. Put some, you know what I mean, and go ahead and get your, you know what I mean, fill out your little application, put a little new resume on there, get your resume on, and go ahead and go and get a no damn job. Indeed be popping too. You feel like a bad chick on a dating app on Indeed. They be sending you jobs like that, no matter what you doing. And if you do food, if you don't do food, you do now, nigga, because your ass damn sure ain't driving. Go ahead and go and put some, I mean, sign up for a line cook or something and go and learn some food. Matter of fact, go on YouTube, learn how to cook, and then fill out applications and say that you done worked for a place that ain't even exist no more, because it's a wrap for your ass with this Lyft and Uber. I'm tired of y'all complaining online. Oh, I'm going to boycott. No. Get off, take your ass and go get a job, Cot. It ain't no damn way, it ain't no reason for you to be sitting up here complaining about something you don't like to do no more. Then quit. I mean, quit. Find a more convenient way to be able to do it. And if you can't do it no more, guess what? That just means it's over, baby. That just means it's over. Like, remember your last job you quit? Or you on here like, yo, let me tell you, McDonald's. Let me tell you, nah, McDonald's. Are y'all on here complaining about your last job y'all quit? No, you just moved on. Move on. You know what I mean? I know it used to be good. Oh, man, only if we did it back in the day. Well, you didn't. Move on. Don't be sitting up here stressing yourself out. Don't be sitting up here online complaining every day. I was already him. I did the complaining too. I got a couple videos still up that I should delete, matter of fact, as I think about it. No, I shouldn't. And I mean, y'all remember my last video. I was going in, but I didn't want to complain too much. End up like the Rideshare professor.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Damn, every 10 minutes he got a complaining video, but his ass is still doing it.
We can't let him get away with this. This is happening. It's not right. We must fight back.
No, it's not right.
I have a family.
I have a plan. When I pull up, just hop in the car. All right, I'm on my way. Let's go. This is what we gonna do. We gonna start our own rideshare company, because Goober and Grip, they went out of business.
Yeah, that's a good ass plan. I was thinking the same thing. But how we gonna do that? We got a lot of rideshare people, and they all on the same mission.
Whole city going crazy. Everybody fighting for the #1 spot.
Ex-Goober and Grip jobbers are fighting over territory. Police are looking for over 4,000 stolen rental cars. I know that hurts. But anyway, ex-drivers are standing on the corners like prostitutes, and buses or trains are at capacity. We can't all get freaky right now, boy.
You want to know who to blame? Rideshare careers. Rodney Speed making $2K a week. Right along with Bray, are you kidding me? They were not supposed to make that much damn money. And they were all working for this guy, the Rideshare professor.
Hey, what happened to the hub guy?
We buried the hub guy. Next question. We had to shut down the company before people like that took it over.
But they were making you money and bringing people in.
Well, Goober already made enough money off of these suckers. We were all the same company anyway. And by the way, we were watching their moves. Eventually, once you start YouTube, it's all over. Cut your losses. Everybody keep fucking complaining. So everybody keep complaining. So let's see what happened without us. Instafart, Goober, Grip, we all out of the game.
But that doesn't make any sense. They were helping your company.
Shut the fuck up.
A lot of people say that your practices was becoming very unethical, especially for the rental situation. What exactly was going on with the rental cars?
I wouldn't say that we were going too far or nothing, but we got a little carried away. We were only charging people $4,000 a week, and the onboarding process was pretty easy.
He moved.
All right, number 4 or 5. I just want to make this a one-take Jake. You feel me? Number 5 attempt is put your damn code, wrap it around something on the seat that's on the right of you so they can see your code and be like, hey, what's that code about? Oh, you can get a couple of thousand if you sign up. And let other people get signed up and do this because it ain't working for you. And then if you do that, or you could tell people, yo, you live around here if you driving people around your neighborhood. Oh, you live around this neighborhood? Well, you know what? Why don't you take this card right here? Take this card and yo, hit me up if you ever need a long ride or something like that, and I'll make up my own charge. Number 4, this one right here is gonna be good, and I want y'all to pay attention to this because y'all on here complaining so much, so I want y'all to really pay attention to this. Don't take heat. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you new. Y'all going like this. Why don't you, when you get a long ride, tell them to cancel the ride and pay you the bread? To work, and I'm glad I did. Comfy. Whew. Anyway, what you mean you paying $100 for this ride? How much you paying? 100? Give me 60. Cancel it. That's $5. You got what? How much in your pocket? Thank you. Thank you. So y'all done with the complaining? All right. I'm outie like a belly button. Peace. Subscribe if you new. Stop playing with me. I'm gonna be giving y'all real tips. I'm about to go down. I'm about to do some other videos probably. But if this goes somewhere, give it like 100 views. Give it some likes. Show some love. Cause this channel goes in. If you new, you better scroll down. If you been on this channel and scroll because of one video I did, scroll your ass down and go and check out some of them other videos. It's popping on this joint. I ain't just get caught slipping. I got some evergreen content on this mother. Peace. Streaks, bonuses, and guarantees. They are the only reason to do Lyft.
Rideshare careers. Time to get some money, we just ride around city. Yeah. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get some money up. Time to get some money, we just ride around the city. Time to get some money, gas never on empty. Better not call me cause I'm getting to a penny. You get paid by the hour, I get paid by the minute. If my pockets ain't full, I ain't finished. Sign up and try to get money with me. Trying to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get some money. You know it's ice. 258-09, that's ice. 258-09, that's ice. 258-09, that's ice. That's ice. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get your money up. Time to get some money, get some money. Yeah, get your money. Rideshare careers. Rideshare careers. Rideshare careers. Rideshare careers. Rideshare careers never won.